Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to blur a part of video in CapCut. Alright, so let's begin with the video. In this example, I want to blur the numbers in the video. First, make sure the video clip itself is not selected. Then go to the bottom menu and tap on Effects. Then choose Video Effects. Tap Search and type in Blur. Select the blur effect. After that, tap Cancel and then confirm it by tapping the check mark. Next, extend the blur effect so it covers the entire length of the video by dragging the end of the effect across the timeline. After that, select the original video clip in the timeline and scroll through the bottom options until you see Duplicate. Then tap it. Make sure the duplicated clip is selected, then tap on Overlay at the bottom. After that, press and hold the overlay clip and drag it so both clips line up and play at the same time. Now select the overlaid video, scroll along the bottom menu until you find Mask option and click on it. Here, choose the rectangle option. Then tap on Invert at the bottom left. Then adjust the size and position of the blurred area to cover what you want to hide. If you scrub through the video and notice the blur doesn't stay in place, you'll need to use keyframes. Tap the keyframe button next to the play button, then move the blur area as the subject moves. A new keyframe will automatically be added each time, making it easy to track the motion. Once you're finished, play the video back. You'll see that the blur now moves smoothly with the numbers throughout the video. And that's it. So that's basically how you can blur a part of video in CapCut. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.